How to fix YouTube not working on Wi-Fi. Let's get started. Firstly, check your internet connection. So launch your Settings app. Navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Refresh, restart your router and then rezone it. Likewise, switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Then enable for the option airplane mode. Wait for a few minutes and then disable it. This will refresh your network. Next thing you want to do is scroll down, navigate to the option General. Now head over to the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset Network Settings and go through the process. With this solution, your problem might be fixed. Now, next thing you want to do is update your YouTube app. For that, launch your App Store. Then search for the app YouTube. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Now launch your YouTube app and check whether it is working or not. If this solution didn't work out for you, you can check the server status of YouTube. So navigate to the website like Town Detector, search for YouTube. If you found out any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved. So this is how you can easily fix YouTube not working on Wi-Fi. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.